Greetings everyone, welcome back. You joined me in the very cold garage. It is about 15 degrees Fahrenheit here in Minneapolis right now. And I'm going to do something that someone mentioned in a D2 S8 group that I'm part of, and wanted to hear the sound of the C5 S6 versus the sound of the D2 S8. Now, I will preface this by saying both of these cars are stock. So stock exhaust, no modifications other than replacement catalytic converters on both cars at some point. So I'm going to do a literal cold start because it is cold here, and we'll go from there. And then you can kind of voice your opinion on which one sounds better in the comments, but I'll do a cold start of each, and then we will let each car warm up, and I'll give it a couple revs. That's about it. So let's see which one's going to sound better. Okay, so there you have it. Let me know which one you think sounds better. I think I have my favorite. And just to keep it fair, I'm not going to introduce the sound of any 5 cylinders into this video because, well, the V8s would probably lose. We'll see you next time.